New York City, often referred to as the Big Apple, is a metropolis like no other, a global icon of culture, commerce, and diversity that beckons visitors with an overwhelming array of attractions and experiences. It's a city where towering skyscrapers and historic landmarks coexist, where every neighborhood has its own unique character, and where the energy is palpable. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, New York City offers an endless tapestry of things to do and see. Manhattan, with its iconic skyline, is the city's beating heart. The Empire State Building, a symbol of the city, provides breathtaking panoramic views from its observation deck. Nearby, Times Square's dazzling billboards and theaters make it the epicenter of entertainment, and Broadway shows offer world-class performances that draw theater enthusiasts from around the globe. Central Park, a sprawling oasis in the midst of the urban jungle, offers a serene escape with its winding paths, scenic lakes, and iconic landmarks like Bethesda Terrace and the Central Park Zoo. It's a haven for joggers, picnickers, and those seeking a moment of respite from the city's hustle. Museum lovers will find their paradise within the Museum Mile along Fifth Avenue, home to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Guggenheim Museum, and the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, to name just a few. These institutions house vast collections spanning art, history, and culture. The Statue of Liberty, a gift from France to the United States, symbolizes freedom and democracy. Visitors can take a ferry to Liberty Island and explore the statue's pedestal and museum, and from there, enjoy breathtaking views of Manhattan and the harbor. New York's culinary scene is a global mosaic, with diverse neighborhoods offering cuisines from around the world. From bagels and pizza in Brooklyn to fine dining in Manhattan, the city's restaurants and food vendors cater to every palate. Don't forget to try a classic New York-style hot dog from a street cart. The boroughs outside Manhattan each offer a unique flavor of the city. Brooklyn boasts trendy neighborhoods like Williamsburg and Dumbo, as well as the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. The Bronx is home to the Bronx Zoo and the New York Botanical Garden. Queens offers cultural diversity and the Flushing Meadows Corona Park, site of the 1964 World's Fair. Staten Island beckons with the free Staten Island Ferry and the serene Snug Harbor Cultural Center. The 9/11 Memorial and Museum pays tribute to the victims of the September 11, 2001 attacks and offers a somber reflection on the city's resilience. One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, is a symbol of rebirth and a testament to human spirit, with its observatory providing unmatched views of the city. New York City's public transportation system is efficient and affordable, allowing visitors to explore all corners of the city. Iconic yellow taxis, subways, buses, and even ferries offer convenient options for getting around. In essence, New York City is a whirlwind of experiences, a place where history, culture, art, and innovation intersect at every turn. It's a city of dreams, where Broadway lights shine brightly, where culinary adventures await, and where the energy of millions of people from every corner of the globe converge. Whether it's exploring world-famous landmarks, enjoying a Broadway show, savoring diverse cuisine, or simply wandering the streets, New York City invites travelers to immerse themselves in its vibrant, ever-evolving tapestry.